Alright, here's how to check your total Steam account value. First, open your browser and go to SteamDB.info. Once you're on the site, you'll see the Steam Calculator section. Now you need your Steam ID. Open your Steam client and go to the top right corner. Click on your account name. From the drop-down, select Account Details. You can find your Steam ID there below your account's name. Now copy your Steam ID, go back to SteamDB Calculator and paste it into the input box. Then press Calculate. The tool will scan your entire Steam library. This may take a few seconds depending on how many games you own. Once it loads, you'll see your total account value. This shows the value of every game in your library if bought at the lowest store prices. You'll also see how much they would cost at today's prices, your total games owned, your total playtime, and other detailed stats. Scroll down to see your most expensive games and a breakdown of your library value. Keep in mind, this is an estimated value, not real money you can withdraw. It simply shows what your Steam account would cost if everything was bought at full price. And that's it. That's how you check your total Steam account value.